Alright, this is James with Performance. It's 19 August. Today is 19 August. It is 11:03 a.m. We're going to do the driving video on this 997.2 Turbo S. This car is equipped with Apple CarPlay as well. You can see it there. Just connect your car. It's got the cord. If you're not familiar with my driving videos, I usually do like a 10-minute regular driving video, and then when I get on our road where my shop is at, that's where I will get on it a little bit, let you hear it. It's a private road, so I have that luxury. So you can hear the difference. Not much difference in the noise. We're in sport mode now. United States. Most people think it's an aftermarket kit with the wing, but it's not. It's an OEM. So much power. Such a fun car to drive. I mean, especially for the 997.2. The size is perfect. Power is unbelievable. Alright, then we'll do the walk around video here. This will conclude the driving video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please follow us. We'll be posting plenty more. Have a great day.